That's it for you?
I'll fight your question. Got a little close there.
I know. You got to get the shot though.
Here, you want a selfie stick for that thing?
Oh, for this?
Okay, I'm gonna go in 3, right?
Alright.
1, 2.
And I'll be able to get closer without losing my fingers.
These are my Blade 350 QX.
Whoa.
Did I almost get it? Yeah. Here.
Closer than the second time.
It's pretty neat. You can tilt it and all that crap.
Nice.
Joey, if you could try to throw it like towards the same range.
I've never used one of these before, and it's all the fun that I thought it would be.
Like $6 on eBay.
Okay, I'm gonna go on 3, okay? 1,
Go get it.
2, 3.
Sorry. I'm sorry.
Didn't Zach do a video on this and put it on YouTube? He did that at Daylaw. He did it for Gemini.
Did you hit a frisbee?
Yeah, they're shooting. They're throwing frisbees.
Let Lance
He's
throw
like
it.
chasing them.
Yeah, Lance, you want to?
I want to chuck it.
Lance wants to chuck it.
Can I puzzle it?
1, 2, 3.
Oh yeah, right.
Whoa!
Yeah, right above. Good one.
Alright, Lance, if you could just pull it straight up.
Oh, just missed it.
That's hard. That's so hard.
Yeah, just you gotta acquire the target, and then you gotta figure out where it's going, and then you gotta get yourself to it.
Yeah. Okay, you ready?
Where are you? Ready?
Not quite, not quite.
Oh, he's just going straight up with it now?
Yeah. Oh, it's right in the sun.
Gotta throw it away from the sun.
Alright, pull!
You got this, Steven.
Oh! That was like inches.
Oh! You almost had it, Steven. Really,
Whoa.
Steven? Really?
Maybe I can take off.
No. It's down.
No, that battery was good.
That was cool.